Oh, Bianca bubblegum. We like Bianca bubblegum. Oh, Bianca is like a bangka. Bangka in the Philippines means boat. Hello, Mads. Boat. You want boat? Bianca. Bianca Bianco. Hello, Mads. Hello. Is that Yummy Land? What's the name of that toy? Bianca Yummy Land? Eh, nangungulangot. What's that? Okay, brush your hair. Be careful. Jade, be careful. To unbox this toy is 8 minutes. We've been doing it for 8 minutes. And then there's more. Oh, Jade. Ikaw na nga ni. Ate Dong can open it. Sa Papa. You have to do the lip gloss. Are you making now? Okay, make your lip gloss now. Hello, Mars. Yeah, just mix them together. Oh. Oh, she got a nice hair, Jelana. Yeah, yan mo na mag-brush. Make it busy. Oh, Jelana, brush your hair. Oh, you're mixing your lip gloss? Ala- Jade, get the no no get the plastic. Yeah. Yung, ilabas mo tong kahoy nito ni. Can you get stop eating that? Can you get this one? Because so no makes the lips gloss here, not on the carpet. Okay, here. Nin, teka muna Nina, nagmi-mix na siya. O dali mo na nga yung Barbie, akin nga yung Barbie. Ay, anong pangalan nito, Lupalop? What what's the name of this anak, Lupalop? Lumpa-lumpa? Ay,